Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials, so do these first steps now. Check your device model and Android version to ensure compatibility. Region settings can block apps. Clear the Play Store cache and data, then force stop the app so it restarts cleanly. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you used before. If sign-in looks wrong, remove the account and add it back. These actions fix most simple availability errors quickly, so pause and complete them before moving on. Once done with account and cache steps, move to deeper checks. Update Google Play services and the Play Store app. Outdated services often cause availability blocks. Check your device certification inside Play Store settings. Uncertified devices are restricted. If you need the app urgently, consider sideloading a safe APK, but only from reputable sources and after enabling install permissions. Otherwise, revert settings. Also verify country and payments profile, since region mismatches prevent installs. To finish, try rebooting into safe mode and attempt Play Store access. This isolates interfering apps. If region is the issue and you understand risks, a temporary VPN can let you download. Make sure payments and accounts match the region. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This clears persistent conflicts. If problems continue, contact the app developer or Google support with device model, Android version, and error messages. One key tip: always back up before major resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.